What's the difference between BFLEX and Structure Base? Both products are ideal for short, flexible nails. BFLEX is a flexible, all-in-one permanent gel system, which is super time-saving. It comes in several nude shades to provide a very natural look. And it can also be used as a gloss on top of a B color. You can do a simple refill every 4 weeks without having to remove the product entirely, and it's acid-free. The supported structure base is, in fact, a semi-permanent base and comes only in one version, the transparent version. Its role is to protect the nail plate from pigments and to fill in any nail grooves. So you will always use a color and a separate gloss on top. The structure base has a very good adhesion to the natural nail for up to 3 weeks, but then it starts gradually detaching from the nail. So you will have to remove it completely before reapplying it for the next time.